So in last lecture we have seen about the integrated rate equations for first order reaction and zero order reaction, right? So on that basis we will see numericals related with it. Okay, तो हम पहले देखेंगे इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ इक्वेशन फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, उसके न्यूमेरिकल्स, उसके बाद फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, राइट? Okay, so we'll take down the formula first for integrated rate law equation. Write down the formula is integrated rate law equation for integrated rate law equation for first order reaction, for first order reaction. What is that first order reaction integrated rate law equation? This is the type on which we are going to learn the problems, or we are going to see the problems on this type. Okay, so write down the formula. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A0 upon AT. Okay, so this is the formula for this. Now you know where, write down K rate constant, A naught or A0 initial concentration, AT concentration of A at time t, sorry, t is time. Okay, all quantities you must know here. Also we will see on second type, that is second formula on this type. Second formula is T half. T half for first order reaction is 0.693 upon K. Remember this formula also. So on this formula we are going to learn, or we are going to see the numericals. Okay, very simple. So take down the formula first, then we will see the numericals. Now write about the numericals on this type. Write down first problem. The decomposition of N2O5 gaseous at 320 Kelvin, temperature is given, according to following equation, follows first order. Now see here, it is mentioned that this reaction is first order. Gives 2 NO2 gas plus half O2 gas. This is the first order reaction given. Initial concentration of N2O5, note down this numerical. Initial concentration of N2O5, this is reactant, is 1.24 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter, or take minus 2 here, 1.24 10 to the power minus 2, and after 60 minutes after 60 minutes, (0.20) into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. Calculate the rate constant at 320 Kelvin. Now see here friends, here initial concentration, that is A naught, A0 value is given, and concentration after 60 minutes, that is AT, is also given with time t 60 minutes. Okay, so now you can calculate the rate constant. You know the formula, K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A0 by AT. A0 is here, this value, and AT is this value. Okay, so note down this for first problem. Then take given data. Take down the given data. Solution. A0 is given, that is 1.24 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. AT is given 0.20 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. Time is given 60 minutes. Now you can calculate rate constant in minute also, in per second also. Per minute we will calculate here, and the formula is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A0 concentration upon AT. So you can put only your values here. 2.303, we have to put this log of A0 is 1.24 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter upon 0.20 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. It will get cancelled. So per minute will be the unit of that K, rate constant. Okay. Now by shifting this decimal, we will get 62 here, log of 62, 2.303 upon 60 minute, log of 62. Okay, you can take the values here now. 2.303 upon 60 minute into log of 62, you can calculate, it is, or here it will get cancelled here. Now you can calculate the log of 62. Take the log of 62 here. So here it becomes 6.2, because once you shift this decimal, it becomes 124 by 20. So it is 6.2. Okay, 6.2 you have to take the log, and that comes to be 0.7924. Log of 6.2 is equal to 0.7924. Remember this. Okay, this is the quantity. Now if you multiply this, you will get the value 0.0304. per minute is the value of rate constant here. Now you can take how this is calculated. We will see by log calculation. Okay, take the log calculations and you will understand how it is calculated. Okay. So take the logs of this. Now see the log of 2.303. Log of 2.303, it is 0.23. 23 का आपको 0 और 3 में देखना है मीन डिफरेंस 0.3623. रिमेंबर दिस ऑलवेज. 23 का 03 में 3623 ये लॉग आता है. 2.303 का 0.3623 ये लॉग आप याद रखो हमेशा, ओके। प्लस यू हैव टू ऐड द लॉग ऑफ 0.7924, इट बिकम्स बार 1.7979 का 24 में आता है 8989, okay. So this is multiplication. In multiplication log is getting added, okay. 9 plus 3 12, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 carries 1, 10 plus 6 16 carries 1, 9 plus 3 12 carries 1, plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 0.2612, okay. Now you have to take the log of 60 and you have to subtract this log of 60 from this quantity, okay. So log of 60 will take here 0.7782 or 7782 here. Now subtract this quantity, 2 minus 2 0 carries 1, 11 minus 8 3, 9 16 minus 9 7 carries 1, 8 12 plus 8 4 carries 1, so 0 minus 2 it becomes bar 2. Now you have to take the antilog of this bar 2.4730, 0.47 का 30 में एंटीलॉग आपको देखना है, 0.47 का 30 में 2972, it becomes near about 2972, 2.97 to 10 to the power minus 2, so it becomes 0.029, so it is approximately equal to 0.029 means 3, 0.03, 10 to the power minus 2, okay, 10 to the power minus 2, 0.03, 10 to the power minus 2 here, sorry, 10 to the power here, 10 to the power minus 2 means 0.03 will be the quantity, 0.03. अगर आपका इतना भी कैलकुलेशन से ये क्वांटिटी भी आती है तो भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली राइट, इट इज राइट, 0.029 मींस 0.03, 0.03, ओके. अब ये डायरेक्टली सॉल्यूशन दिया, इसका आंसर दिया 0.0304, so 0.03 is the important quantity here, that will be the final answer, and if your answer will be after calculation 0.029, that is also correct answer, okay. So the answer is near about 0.03, okay, per minute, okay. So write down this calculation. After that we will take the next numerical. Next numerical, take down. Next numerical, consider a certain reaction. Consider a certain reaction consider a certain reaction, A gives product with K 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 per second, with K 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 per second. Calculate the concentration of A remaining after 100 seconds. Calculate the concentration. Calculate the concentration after remaining after 100 seconds second. Okay, if the initial concentration of A is 1 mole per liter, if the initial concentration of A is 1 mole per liter. Now see here, आपको यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है? Concentration of A remaining after 100 second means AT is asked. Okay, what we have to calculate here? AT. A0 is given, initial concentration 1 mole per liter. K value is also given, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 per second, and time is also given 100 second. Okay, so write down first given data. A0 1 mole per liter. AT we have to find out here. Time is given 100 second, and what K is given 2.0 10 to the power minus 2 per second, and you know the formula here. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 A0 upon AT. Now what you have to do here? Log 10, you have to rearrange this equation. Log 10 A0 upon AT is equal to KT into upon 2.303. पहले ये कैलकुलेशन करके लो, फिर उसके बाद हम A0 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है, नोट डाउन दिस फर्स्ट कैलकुलेशंस. After writing this formula, we can calculate the value of A0, sorry, AT. Initial concentration is given, so we have to find out here AT value. Now put the values here. Log of 1.0 upon AT is equal to K की वैल्यू दी है आपको 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into टाइम दिया है 100 सेकंड upon 2.303. Okay, now calculate this. 10 to the power minus 2 and 100 will get cancelled, so 2 upon 2.303 is the remaining quantity. You have to calculate the ratio of this. Okay, so it comes out to be 0.8684. If you calculate this ratio, you will get this log of 1.0 upon 80. Now what we have to do here, we have to take antilog on both sides, so this log term will get cancelled. Okay, so 1.0 upon 80 is equal to antilog of 0.8684. Now take antilog of this, you will get antilog of this 7.3858. 1.0 upon 80, 7.3858. So what will be the value of 80 here? आपको यहाँ पे 0.86 का 84 में एंटीलॉग देखना है, मेन डिफरेंस 4 में. ठीक है, तो ये आएगा देखो 80 is equal to, therefore 80 is equal to 1 upon 7.3858. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का यूनिट आपको पता है मोल्स पर लीटर, so it comes out to be 0.1354 moles per liter is the unit of this. Okay, you can calculate, you can take directly reciprocal of this 7.3858. 7.3 और 7.4 का अगर रेसिप्रोकल आपने लिया तो वो आता है 0.1354 मोल्स पर लीटर. So this is the concentration of A remaining after 100 second. Initially it becomes 1 mole per liter. ठीक है, ये इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन था 1 मोल पर लीटर. आफ्टर 100 सेकंड, 100 सेकंड के बाद देखो रिड्यूस होगा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. आपको पता है फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन में as reaction proceeds the concentration of reactant goes on decreasing. So after 100 second it should be less than 1 and that comes out to be 0.1354 moles per liter. Okay, so note down these calculations. Okay, so next numerical, now take the next numerical on this type. Integrated rate law for first order reaction, उस पे हम न्यूमेरिकल्स देख रहे हैं दोस्तों. वेरी सिंपल. अगर आपकी कैलकुलेशन स्ट्रांग है तो आपको बहुत इजी जाएंगे ये न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. नाउ टेक नेक्स्ट द रेट कांस्टेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. द रेट कांस्टेंट ऑफ first order reaction this is third numerical. Reaction is 60 per second. 60 per second. How much time will it take to reduce? How much time? So here time is asked. How much time will it take to reduce? How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of reactant? The initial concentration of reactant to 1/16th. 1/16th value. Okay, here what is asked? Time is asked. Okay, here rate constant is given, time is asked and a 0 अगर 1 लेते हैं आप तो 80 आपको लेना है 1/16. Okay, so what will be the formula? You know, K is equal to, for this, 2.303 upon T log to the base 10, A 0 upon 80. Okay, so here time is asked, T is equal to therefore 2.303 upon K log 10. A0 अगर आपने 1 लिया तो 1/16 ये रिड्यूस हो रहा है. ओके, सो therefore T is equal to 2.303 upon K. K की वैल्यू दी है 60 पर सेकंड. ओके, into log of 16, 2.303 upon 60, ये सेकंड में हो जाएगा पर सेकंड. ओके, you can write here finally the unit. ओके, log of 16 अगर आपने कैलकुलेट किया यहाँ पे हुआ था 1.2041. 1.2041. ओके, अगर ये कैलकुलेशन आपने किया दोस्तों तो ये आता है नियर अबाउट 0.0461 सेकंड. ओके, तो अगर इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आपने 1 लिया तो 1/16 इनिशियल वैल्यू के रिड्यूस होने के लिए इतना टाइम लगेगा 0.0461 सेकंड. ओके, सो दैट माइक्रोस्कोपिक टाइम इट विल टेक टू रिड्यूस initial concentration to 1/16th of its value. Okay, 1/16th of its initial value. ठीक है, तो इतना टाइम लगेगा. नोट डाउन दिस कैलकुलेशंस. ओके.